Hello and welcome everyone. I am Pushpak Pandit and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Being Bookish. So we have already covered periodic table important MCQs in the last video, and in this video we are going to talk about chemical bonding important MCQs. The majority thing which you must note in this video is that I have included mainly and majority the important MCQ question from ICSE board, so that you can have a broad view that how ICSE asks MCQ question in the previous year. Okay, and the data collected from the previous years is around 12 to 13 years back. Okay, so I have mainly tried to include those questions which were from the 10 years ago also, so that at least you can have a clear idea that how MCQ questions is asked, as you all know that this chapter is also included in your semester 1. Okay, so now let's start our chemical bonding important MCQs. Here is the first question. The first question says electrovalent compounds have, the first option is high boiling points and the second option is low boiling points, and you can clearly see here that it is an ICSE 2011 question. Okay, now let's go to our question number 2. Question number 2 says the property which is characteristics of an electrovalent bond is that it is easily vaporized, or it has a high melting point, or it is a weak electrolyte, or the last option, it often exists as a liquid. So this is the second question. Now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is an ICSE question which was asked in the year 2013. The question says, state which is not a typical property of an ionic compound. First option is high melting point, second is conducts electricity in molten and aqueous state, third is are insoluble in water, and fourth is exists as oppositely charged ions even in the solid state. So my request is that do comment down the answer for this question. Okay, now let's go to question number 4. Question number 4 is again an ICSE 2011 question. The question says, in covalent compounds, the bond formed is due to sharing of electrons or transfer of electrons. I hope that this is an easy question and you can answer this. So do comment down the answer for this question also. So covalent compounds, the bond is formed is due to sharing or transfer of electrons. Okay, let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 says, when a metal becomes an ion, options are it loses electrons and is oxidized, second is it gains electrons and is reduced, third is it gains electrons and is oxidizes, and fourth is it loses electrons and is reduced. So you can clearly see this is an important question. Okay, so know the answer and do comment down the answer for this question. Okay, now let's go to question number 6, and question number 6 is a star mark important question. Why? Let me read the question. The question says, the one which is composed of all the three kinds of bonds, that is ionic, covalent and coordinate bond. I think I can guarantee you this question in your MCQ. Although this is an ICSE 2009 question, but it is always an important question. So let me say the options for this question. Options are sodium chloride, ammonia, carbon tetrachloride or ammonium chloride. So out of these four compounds, which is the compound which has all the bonds, that is ionic also, covalent also and coordinate also? So do comment down the answer for this question. Okay, now let's go to question number 7. Question number 7 is an ICSE 2014 question. The question says, the molecule which contains a triple covalent bond. Okay, so the molecule which contains a triple covalent bond is ammonia, methane, water or nitrogen. Here the spelling is wrong, so I am very sorry for that, but I think you can understand. So the options are ammonia, methane, water and nitrogen. So which of these compound contains a triple covalent bond? So answer this question. Now let's go to question number 8. Question number 8 says a chemical term. So what is that term which will be for this definition. The definition is a bond formed by a shared pair of electrons with both coming from the same atom. This question will confuse you, I know. So the options are either covalent bond or dative bond. Which of these two bonds is the answer for this question? And you can clearly see that this question was specifically asked in the year 2013. Okay, now let's go to question number 9. Question number 9 is a good question. The question number 9 says compound X consists of only molecules. So X will have which of these characteristics? And the options are crystalline hard structure, low melting and boiling points, ionic compound, or a strong force of attraction between its molecules. So which of the four options is correct for this compound X? And this is an ICSE 2014 question. Okay, now let's go to our last question for this video. The last question is very easy, but it sometimes confuses us. So the question is, formation of ions from molecules is called ionization or it is called dissociation. So do comment down the answer for this question. So friends, that's all from this video. I hope the video was helpful and it will clear most of your doubts that how MCQ questions can be asked from this chapter. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.